Hello my dear lovely students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have completed exercise 4.4. Now today we are going to start one new term, that is addition of time. Okay, we will start. See, addition of time is different from addition of ordinary numbers. See, in the last session we have solved addition of time, isn't it? How we have done same as the ordinary number, but here when you are doing addition of time, it is different from addition of ordinary number in time. This is because the conversion from one unit to another unit is not done in tens. Study the examples. Now we will study the given examples. Now what is the first example? See here. Gopal took a metro to go his office. The metro took 24 minutes 40 seconds. Then he had to walk for 15 minutes 30 seconds. How long did he take to reach office? So one man, Gopal, he goes to office. How he goes? By metro. So the metro took 24 minutes 40 seconds. And after that what he did, he walked for 15 minutes and 30 seconds to reach his office. So now we have to find out how much time he have taken to reach to office by metro and after that by walk. Okay, so he took 24 minutes 40 seconds and 15 minutes 30 seconds. This is by metro, this is by walk. Then what we have to do? We have to arrange one by one both the numbers. Okay, then we have to add. But before adding, see, first we have to, here we cannot go same as unit wise. Okay, unit tens we cannot do. Why? Because here seconds we need to convert. We have to convert into minutes. We need to convert. So first you have to add seconds as a rough work. 40 plus 30, it becomes 70 seconds. So how many seconds means 1 minute? Yes, correct. 60 seconds means 1 minute. So here 70 seconds means 1 minute and 10 seconds. So 10 you have to write here and 1 will be carried to minutes place. So write 10 in seconds column and carry 1 to minutes column. And what is the second step? Now we can add minutes. So add minutes and carried over the minute also you have to add. Now 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. 0 here, 1 will be carry again. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So what is the answer? 40 minutes 10 seconds. So if you do directly like ordinary number, ones place addition, tens place addition, minutes place, it doesn't work out. So if above 60 it is coming seconds, you need to convert it. Okay, you can do in this way also, or else you can write here directly. You can do the addition, then later on also you can convert. So better you go with this process only. We will solve in two way while solving our exercise. Okay, now see the second example they had given for us. Find the total of 4 hours 40 minutes and 3 hours 50 minutes. See what we have to add here? 4 hours, but first we need to add hours or minutes? Minutes. First we need to add 40 minutes and 50 minutes. See, 4 hours 40 and 3 hours 50. First we have to add minutes and we need to convert into hours. So 40 plus 50 is 90 minutes, isn't it? So how many hours and minutes are there in 90? See, if you subtract minus 60, 60 means 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So when we subtract, we get 30, means in 90 minutes we have 1 hour and 30 minutes, isn't it? So write dash dash minutes in the minutes column and what we have to carry? See how many minutes we have to carry? We have to write 30 in minutes column. They have written, okay, and in the hours column we have to carry 1 hour, isn't it? Now how many hours are there here? 1 hour which is carried, and 4 and 3. When you add all these numbers we get 8. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is the answer? 8 hours and 30 minutes. The total is 8 hours and 30 minutes. Clear? Very good. Now we will see the subtraction of time. Subtraction of time. Example number 1. Anita took 40 minutes 15 seconds to complete her maths homework and 19 minutes 20 seconds to complete her science homework. How much more time did the maths homework take? Now the girl Anita, she have taken to complete her maths homework 40 minutes and 15 seconds for maths homework and 19 minutes 20 seconds for science homework. So can you compare which subject she have taken more time? For which subject she had given more time? Of course she had given more time to maths only. And what we have to find out that how much more time did the maths homework take? So how much time she had given more to math subject. So for that we need to subtract here. The maths homework took 40 minutes 15 seconds minus 19 minutes 20 seconds. If we subtract from science time, so we get finally the more time she have taken for maths. Now 50 minus 20. Now arrange the numbers one below. Now 15 minus 20 we can't do. So what we have to do? So we have to borrow 1 minute from 40 seconds and change into seconds. How we can change? Yes, see, these are the minutes from 40. If we take 1 minute here, so we get here total, this is 5 and 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, now if we take from here 60 seconds, 15 and 60, total is 75, isn't it? We have taken one borrow from 40 minutes. 1 minute we have taken. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, isn't it? So 60 seconds plus 15 is together 75. So if we subtract 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 2 is 5. And here 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we can subtract. Now first we have done the subtraction of seconds and the subtraction of minutes. Now here we have the final answer is 20 minutes 55 seconds. Clear? Is that clear? Yes, very good. Now we are going to solve our exercise 4.5. What is the first question? Read the question everyone. Find the total time. Okay, just we have to find out the total time. Very easy question. Now we will solve some examples, and some examples you are going to solve by your own. first one we will solve. 6 hours 40 minutes and 3 hours 25 minutes. Okay, this is the question. Now we will solve this addition. Just now we have done addition of time. So first they are given hours and minutes. So here first we need to add minutes, and if more than 60 minutes we need to convert into hours. First I'll arrange here hours and minutes. How many hours? 6 and 40, 3 hours and 25. Addition they said, add. Okay, find the total. What is the question? Find the total time. Total means we have to add. Okay, for here we need to add first minutes. So here we'll do 40 plus 25. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 65, it is more than 60. So what we have to do? 65 minus 60. So here we have 5. Okay, means in 65 minutes we have 1 hour and 5 minutes. So we have to carry 1 hour here and we have to write here 5. Now we will add hours. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Clear? So what is the time here? So write your answer. 10 hours 5 minutes. In this way you have to solve. Clear? Very good. The next example I'll solve for you. Now I'll solve third one for you. 15 minutes 50 seconds and 10 minutes 40 seconds. Minutes and seconds they are given. Okay, the question is total. So I'll write here minutes and here seconds. Okay, little here I'll take. See how many minutes are there? 15, and the seconds are 50, and the next one is 10 minutes. Write minutes in minutes column and seconds in seconds column and give the addition symbol. Now first, students, first you have to add the seconds. Here 50 plus 40. See, 1's place 0 0 gives 0 0. 10's place 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 90 it is, more than 60. You know that 60 seconds means 1 minute. So we need to convert. For that we have to subtract 90 minus 60. Why we are subtracting 60 only? Because here we cannot take directly 90 seconds, because in 90 seconds we have 1 minute also. That is 1 minute means 60 seconds. So if we subtract, see, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 6 is 3. So in 90 seconds we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. So write here 30 and 1 minute we will carry here. Okay, so now here 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6 only. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many minutes we have here together? 26 minutes and 30 seconds. Isn't it? Clear? Yes? So write here answer 26 minute 30 second. Now last one more I will solve for you. Fifth one I will solve. 7 minutes 50 second and 3 minute 40 second. Just now we have solved the same way. Okay, so arrange minutes in minutes column, seconds in second column. Minutes 7, minutes 3 and seconds 50 and 40. Then add. First what we have to add, minutes or second? Yes, tell me. What we have to add? Of course we have to add seconds. So do the rough work here. 5 plus 40. 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. Again we have 90 here. So we have to subtract 60 from 90. Why? Because 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. In 90 we can convert 1 minute into minutes. Okay, so 90 minus 60 is again 30 seconds. So here we have to write 30 and 1 we have to carry. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So what is the answer here? 11 minutes 30 seconds. Clear? Yes, very easy question. Now remaining 3 examples are very easy that you are going to solve by your own. Okay? Now we will move to next question. Our B question. What is the B question? Find the difference between. I'll take first one. Three hours 20 minutes and 5 hours 50 minutes. Now students, always remember that whenever you see the difference word, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, and while doing the subtraction, keep in your mind always you have to subtract from greater to smaller. Now hours and minutes. Now see which is greater hour, 3 hour or 5 hour? Of course 5 hour. 5 hour 50 minutes and 3 hour 20 minutes. Subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So what is the answer here? 2 hour 30 minutes. Clear? Yes? Understood everyone? Very easy now? Yes, very easy. Now we will solve next example. Now I'll take third one. 15 minutes 50 seconds and 25 minutes 10 seconds. See which is greater, 15 minutes or 25 minutes? First write minutes and seconds. Okay, then which is greater, 15 or 25? Of course 25. 25 minutes 10 seconds and 15 minutes 50 seconds. Give the subtraction symbol and do the subtraction. Now see here, 10 seconds subtract we cannot do, isn't it? So what we have to do in this case? We have to borrow 1 minute from 25. See, 25 minutes, if we borrow 1 minute here, 24 will remain, and when we are borrowing minutes to seconds, so 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 10 plus 60, it becomes 70, isn't it? And what about this? 25 minus 1 means 24. Now we have 70 minus 50. Yes, we can do 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now here 24 minus 15. Yes, 4 minus 5 we can't do. Cut the 4, write as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 2. He will give 1. Here 1 will remain. Now 14 minus 5. Yes, we can do. Count after 5 till 14 comes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer here? 9 minutes 20 seconds. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now next, fifth one I will solve for you. Hour 15 minutes and 11 hours. See, hours and minutes, which is greater, 10 or 11? Of course 11. So I'll write first 11. Nothing is given means what will be there? 0, 0. And the next is 10 minutes 50. Now do the subtraction. Now see students here, 0 minus 15 we can't do. So what we have to take? We have to take 1 hour borrow from hours to give the seconds. So here we have 11 hours, isn't it? 11 minus 1 hour means 10. Okay, and 1 hour is equals to 60 seconds, isn't it? Yes. Now we have here 60. So 0 minus 5, we can't cut the 0, right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 6. He will give 1. Here 5 will remain. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now here we can 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much we have remaining? What is the difference? 0, 0 hours, no need to write, only 45 minutes. Clear? Yes? Is that clear, students? Yes, very good. Now remaining examples you are going to solve by your own. Now we will go to the C question. See the first question. Deepak can swim 100 meter in 3 minutes and 15 seconds and Atul in 2 minutes 55 seconds. So who is faster and by how many seconds? See, two boys are there, Deepak and Atul. What they are doing? they are talking about their swimming. So Deepak can swim. How much he can swim? 100 meter. In how many minutes? Just 3 minutes and 15 seconds. And Atul is, see, 2 minutes 55 seconds only he take. So he is faster. You can tell immediately. Yes, who is faster? Of course, Atul is faster. By how many seconds? See, we have to find out that by how many seconds. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, you are correct. We have to subtract. First, we will write the given information. Deepak can swim 100 meter. In how many minutes? Is equals to 3 minutes 15 seconds. And Atul can swim 100 meter in only 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Then who is faster? Yes, Atul is faster. Then now we have to find out by how many seconds. Okay, for that we need to subtract minutes and seconds. So 3 minutes 15 seconds, 2 minutes 55 seconds. Subtraction. Now 15 minus 55 we can't do, so we have to take 1 minute from this 3. So here 3 minutes are there. If we give 1 minute here, 16 seconds means 1 minute. So we are taking borrow from minute 1, that is 60 plus 15 is 75. Now we can subtract 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. Here 2 minus 2 is 0. So how many seconds faster he is? 20 seconds. So here you have to write final answer. Here I will write. So what you will write? Atul is faster by 20 seconds. So write here answer. Atul is faster by 20 seconds. See here I don't have space, so I have written here. You don't write in this way, you write downside only. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will go to the next example. Now third one I am going to solve for you. Okay. The question is, Lata watches 2 television programs every day. She watches a cartoon program for 45 minutes and sports program. See, cartoon she watches for 45 minutes and sports program for 30 minutes. How much time does she spend watching television every day? Lata, one girl is there, so she watches 2 television programs. You do watch na TV? Yes, in the same day she watches only 2 programs every day. First one is cartoon for 45 minutes and the second one is sports for 30 minutes. For that, now what we have to do? Yes, tell me. Yes, we have to add, isn't it? So if we add together, so we get how much time she spent in a day to watch the television. Okay, now I'll write here. Lata watches cartoon program. How much time? 45 minutes. and sports program for 30 minutes. So what we have to do? We have to add both. When we add this both, these are the minutes. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 8. Now see student, 85 minutes are correct answer? No, 85 minutes is more than 60, so we need to convert into hours. So when we subtract 85 minus 60, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 2, yes, tell me, 2. This is what 25 minutes, and we have converted, we have subtracted 1 hour. So what is the total here? 1 hour 25 minutes. So you can write the final answer here. 1 hour 25 minutes time she spent watching television every day. Okay, answer you write by your own. Here it's time to wind up our today's session. So what we have solved, our exercise 4.5 A, B and C. Half of the questions I have solved and the remaining half are very easy. See, story sums are very easy. The remaining 2 story sums you solve by your own in the rub book today itself. Now we will meet in our next session. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.